Hi, and welcome to my channel. This is KB We're Saving 101, and I'm KB, Kim Baker. If this is your first time visiting my channel, then welcome. I'm a lifetime thrifter turned reseller. I currently sell on Poshmark, Mercari, Tradesy, and I send boxes into Thredup. So if you are interested in reseller tips, tricks, haul videos, and lots of honesty, then feel free to hit that subscribe button down below because it will really help me out. All right, guys, today happens to be Thredup Tuesday, and I wish I had some good news for you, or for me, but I don't. This is my third week with zero sales, zero pulls, zero anything. I've had things in carts and carts and carts and carts that just that one dress last week that I showed, I believe you guys, I'm telling you, that thing is still at 80 days because it's been in somebody's cart every day. Unfortunately, nothing has sold. So I am dwindling down on my boxes. I have 3 waiting to be checked in. 3. 2 of them have been sitting there since June 11th. And 1 was just sent from my vacation. So there's 3 waiting to be processed. They should be processed by the 16th, I believe, of August. So good. I hope they all get processed at the same time so I can collect all my items back when they don't sell for like 1 shipping fee. I have 2 boxes that I'm getting ready to take over to a FedEx. And if you don't, it is faster to take your boxes directly to FedEx than it is to go through and to drop them off at, of course, like another site because they have to take and move them more than once. So my boxes, if I take them today, they'll get there like by tomorrow. So yeah, but I also live in Phoenix. Anyway, what I am going to show you, these are the items that didn't sell. I do believe this box got checked in earlier than what I thought. There's a lot of fall items, so I will be ordering another expedited label and hopefully get it, and send in maybe 1 or 2 more expedited boxes. But I really want to pack up and put my summer and spring into ones that are be checked in whenever. So that's my plan. Stick with the season and hopefully that'll work for me. So anyway, we're going to dive into what didn't sell so you guys can get an idea. But like I said, it's the season, I think. Like these are suede boots. They're Lucky Brand. They didn't sell. You know, the taller, it has the elastic in the back, so that's really nice. It is, they are a size, what size are you? 10 medium. They didn't sell. Okay. And of course, when you send in boxes to Thredup, you want to constantly be watching every day. I will tell you my boxes have changed dates multiple times, so you never know. I check in the morning, I check in the afternoon, and I check before I go to bed. Because once they start processing, you only have that 12 hours to mark up your prices, and you do need to mark up your prices or you'll get pennies for some of these items. Like those were listed over $100 and some odd. I did mark them down. I marked them down, I think the last 2 weeks or a week before it was time to collect. So you can change your prices, but you can also mark them down. I have nothing pulled for goodie bags. I can't believe it. This is White House Black Market, size 8. It is a little straight skirt. It came and had a whole bunch of fuzz on it. I'm not joking. You guys wouldn't believe the amount of fuzz that I have pulled off this thing. Anyway, it actually is like new without tags because this slit is still sewn shut. It didn't sell. This is in Nicole Miller, New York, size 10. These pants, they're brown. Pretty much straight leg. They're straight leg. Are they? Nope, they're like a flare. They didn't sell. Again, it was in during summer, I guess, right? Oof. Look. What the heck? Look at this piece that they sent back to me. I have never, this is unbelievable. I mean, I can't send it in like that. This is bad. Anyway, okay. A lot of lint rolling before I can send these items back. This is White House Black Market. And usually White House Black Market does get pulled quite a bit for goodie bags. So let's see, it's a size 6, and it is like a little cocktail dress full of fuzz now. These are super cute. Surprised these didn't go. They are a little bit small. It's a 26 waist, 27 length. Is that Voss? I don't know. Anyway, they are this really cute. They have like this, I don't know, what would you call that? Athletic trimming or something with this raw edge. Look at that cut out. I am just like, that's weird. But yeah, I was surprised that those didn't go. These are a limited stretch size 10. And again, they are a black, basically kind of like a straight leg. Let me flare. Nope, again, a little bit more of a flare. Skirt, Coldwater Creek, 12 petite. It didn't sell, and that one's super cute. Now, I think like this particular item was already listed in my Poshmark closet. And when I do pull items, which I really try not to because I already have them listed, I've already done all the work for that. I actually try to go shopping just for Thredup. When I do my shopping, I do go through, I use the app, I put in the brand, I put in filter high to low, and then I view the items and I go, okay, do I want to pick this up? Do I not want to pick it up? In the past, I have been trying to pick up items that are valued over $60. And when I say valued, that means there's like that little black price with the line through it. That's like their original value of what they thought it was priced at. And you can raise it up to 80% of that particular price. Well, I try to stay valued above 60 because then I am sure I usually get about 30% commission. I'm going to be changing that out. In fact, I think it's next, I don't know. I'm going to box up a bunch of items that I don't want to list. They're all given to me from my children, and I'm not going to ask for return insurance, and I am not going to expedite it, and I'm just going to send in that box, and it's all lower mall end items. So I want to see how that does, because there's been a lot of no-name brands, people on Instagram, if you follow any of them, they've been selling even $3 profit. I'm like, okay, I didn't pay for any of these items. I think I'm just going to do that. So there will be an experimental box going out very soon. I'm trying all different kinds of things, guys, and I will let you know when I find that magic, I don't know, brand or whatever it is. This is Talbot's. It is a 1X petite. So little cardigan. That was in the correct season, I believe. Okay, this is an Ann Taylor Loft. Size medium. Button down cardigan. Again, this was, I don't know, so it's all right for this season, I guess. I mean, shoot, in the air conditioning, I always get cold, so wearing cardigans definitely helps out. This is Christopher Banks stretch, size large. It is a button-down blouse in these really fall-like colors. With like a 70s. Doesn't that look really 70s? Unfortunately, I think it was in for the wrong season. This I was actually surprised they took, but they do value this brand really high. So if I find a cuter dress, I definitely will. But I think this is just too much of an older looking style. It's Sangria size 4. It's also a small size. I'm trying to find larger sizes these days. Ta-da. And again, it also has a lot of fall colors to it, so who knows? Maybe I'll give it another shot. There are people that send their items back again, and again, and I mean literally like 3 or 4 times. But they also have like 2,000 items, guys. I don't have like 2,000 items, so. This is Ann Taylor Loft, size 10, little crop pant. Those should have been pretty good, I think, for the summer season, but oh well. This is Loft Ann Taylor, size 12, and it is just a straight skirt with this, what do you call it, seaming detailing down the front. Kind of gives it a Western flair. All right, this is Ann Taylor Loft, denim, size 8, and Ann Taylor has gotten pulled and has sold for me, so I I don't know. They're just jeans. There you go, boot cut. This is new with, sorry, the box fell. All right, let me move it over. At least I guess it wasn't my clothes rack. Okay, I keep moving. This is a Mac Studio extra small, new with tags. This was perfect for the season. It did not sell. All right, they have this one labeled as a shirt, but I really think it is a dress. I tried it on myself. It actually covers my bottom and goes about mid-thigh. So I think they had it labeled wrong. It is BB. It is an extra small. Or no, not extra small. It's just a small. So I don't know if I'll send this back in or if I'll just try to list this on my own. It's really super cute. Look at that. It's this really stretched bodycon with this bow and the draping. So I find that adorable, and this beautiful, like, I don't know, brown copper kind of, not copper, bronze look. Anyway, that didn't sell. And the last item that I had to retrieve this week, or last week and got them this week, is a chemical reaction, I don't know, what do you call this, a doctor bag? Bowling bag? Anyway, I gotta laugh, guys. All right, it's got this really cute hinge. It has 3 pockets, 2 zipper, 1 center, but that didn't sell. So, there you go. I have not been showing my videos on what I actually am boxing up. If you guys would like to see that, you can leave comments down below, because I always show you what I get back or what was rejected, but I don't necessarily show you the whole box anymore. If that is something you're interested in, please let me know. If there's questions that I can try to answer for you, then please let me know. Otherwise, hopefully next week will be a better week. I'll have boxes checked in and we'll have sales rolling, right? Until next time, thank you for joining me.